Hello, and welcome to Circulation is Health. Thank you for watching. When your blood vessels are healthy, your whole life becomes healthier too. Today's video is for those who struggle to fall asleep at night or wake up still feeling tired. We'll explore practical ways to improve your sleep quality. Stick around till the end and take away some sleep-saving tips. Have you ever found yourself lying in bed, unable to drift off? Your eyes are closed, but your mind keeps spinning. Before you know it, it's morning and you feel like you barely slept. I've been there too. Even when I was exhausted, I couldn't get proper rest. Some mornings, I actually felt worse than the night before. At first, I blamed stress. But as time passed, I realized it wasn't just in my head. Sometimes, insomnia is your body's way of signaling a deeper issue. One major factor? Blood flow to the brain. When it's reduced, your brain can't fully enter rest mode. Recent studies show that during sleep, your brain goes through a natural cleaning process. This process depends on good circulation. When blood flow is strong, the space between brain cells expands, allowing cerebrospinal fluid to sweep through and clear away waste. This remarkable system is called the glymphatic system. But if blood vessels are narrowed or circulation is poor, the system can't do its job. Your brain stays on high alert, and deep sleep becomes impossible. That's why you might have trouble falling asleep, wake up multiple times, and feel groggy in the morning. If this cycle continues, it can affect your focus, mood, and lead to long-term fatigue. Here's the good news. You can support healthy blood flow and better sleep by making small changes. Let me walk you through 3 simple routines that help your brain relax and reset at night. First, drink a warm cup of water before bed. It slightly raises your core temperature, gently expands your blood vessels, and improves circulation. Lukewarm is best. Cold water might actually wake you up. Second, take a short walk in the evening. Just 10 minutes after dinner helps shift blood from your legs up to your brain. Gentle movement is more effective than intense workouts at night. Third, stretch your neck and shoulders. These areas are key pathways for blood flow to the brain. Spend just 3 minutes slowly rotating your neck and loosening your shoulders. This simple stretch relaxes your muscles and helps your body wind down. Each of these steps takes just 10 minutes. Even doing them once can make your morning feel lighter. Try them tonight and see how your body responds. Here's a quick recap. A warm cup of water. A 10-minute evening walk. Neck and shoulder stretches. Practice these daily, and you'll improve not just your sleep but your overall blood flow. As we reach middle age, our blood vessels naturally lose flexibility. But with the right care, they can recover. Better sleep boosts your memory, mood, and immune system. And the key? Consistency, starting with small habits. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And let us know your experience in the comments. Here at Circulation is Health, we're building healthy routines together. Have a great day, and see you next time. Thank you for watching.